And the fists are flying almost as fast as the one-liners at the action-packed Wild 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 West stunt show. It always brings down the house. At Universal Studios Hollywood, we give you a rare peek inside the movie-making process. We take you behind the scenes of Hollywood stunt performers.
A quick look behind the scenes here at the Wild West show. Remember the stunt where we broke a bottle over someone's head? This is not something you want to try at home. These are specially designed bottles. They used to be made of sugar glass. These are in fact made of polystyrene. They look real, but they don't hurt. But this does hurt.